What's up and welcome to 17 Non. Today we're going to be making pad thai. Pad thai is one of the most popular Thai dishes out there. And what makes a good pad thai is that it has to be sour, salty, sweet and a little bit spicy. And this dish is super simple, quick and incredibly easy to make. And with all that said, let's get straight into this recipe. Let's begin by making the sauce for pad thai that's going to be sweet and sour. Getting right into it, go ahead and mince 4 shallots. Next, crush and finely chop 2 garlic cloves. For some sweetness, shave 3 tablespoons worth of palm sugar. When that's prepared, place a pan onto a high heat and add a drizzle of oil. Then add the shallots and garlic. Cook for a few minutes until translucent and nice and aromatic. The smell of fried onions and garlic never gets old. Now let's throw in the palm sugar and turn the heat down to medium. At this point we want to completely dissolve the palm sugar, yet still taking care not to let it burn. The aroma of this smells so good, and it's this what's going to take the pad thai to that next level. To finish the sauce, add 4 tablespoons of tamarind and continue to reduce. When slightly reduced, remove from the heat and add the sauce into a bowl. Allow this to cool, then the sauce is pretty much ready. This might not look like much, but it tastes damn good. Now let's move on to the shrimp. For this pad thai, I managed to get some pretty large tiger shrimp. However, you can buy store-bought peeled ones also, or even use chicken or various other vegetables. To prepare, start by removing the outer shell, then keep the tail on and remove the head. Next, slice down the back of the shrimp to expose and remove the tract. This is never good to eat and always do this. Repeat this process for all the shrimp, then place these to one side for now. Now let's talk rice noodles. All we need to do with these before cooking is to soak them in lukewarm water. Add the rice noodles to a bowl and cover with water. Let these guys sit and soak for around 20 minutes. We'll finish the rice noodles during the cooking stage, and that's all we need to do for these for now. Just before we begin to cook, we want to prepare the remaining ingredients. Slice 200 grams of firm tofu into cubes. The reason for using firm tofu is that it holds way better during the cooking process. Next, roughly slice half a red onion and slice a bunch of spring onions into batons. And this is preserved radish. This is optional but it is quite traditional to add. Finally, wash a bunch of bean sprouts and place the vegetables to one side. To finish the pad thai, we're going to need some peanuts, lime and chili flakes. And for sauces, we're going to need the Thai Chilli Sauce, the tamarind sauce made earlier and some fish sauce. Finally, we're going to use 1 duck egg per portion and we're now ready to cook. To cook, I'm going to make up 1 portion, however this recipe serves 4. Place a wok or pan onto a high heat and add a good generous amount of oil. The number 1 rule when using a wok is to get it nice and hot first. When nice and smoky, go ahead and throw in the shrimp first. All we're looking to do here is to briefly sear the shrimp. After a minute of stir frying, the shrimp should be just cooked. Now remove the shrimp and set to one side. Briefly clean the wok, add some oil, then place back onto a high heat. Now we can go ahead and throw in the diced tofu. Again, you want to make sure the wok is nice and hot before doing this. Add the sliced red onion and continue to stir fry. What we want to do here is to crisp up the tofu and to soften the red onion. Next, we can add in the preserved radish. Again, this is optional, but I find it does give pad thai that authentic vibe. Now we can go ahead and throw in the rice noodles that we soaked earlier. Add just a touch of water and this will help cook the rice noodles. Continue to cook until the water is just about evaporated. Next, you can go ahead and add the tamarind sauce, Thai chili sauce and some fish sauce. Continue to stir fry until the sauce becomes nice and reduced and the noodles just cooked. At this point, go ahead and push the noodles to the side of the wok. Add a touch of oil, then add the duck egg. Oh, and try not to drop in some of the shell like I did. Break up the egg, then continue to cook. We want the egg to set first, as this will cut through the noodles nicely when we come to fold it in. When ready, break up the egg and fold through the noodles. This is looking pretty good already, and we're just about there. Time to add the shrimp back in, a really good handful of bean sprouts, and some spring onions. Fold everything for the noodles, then continue to cook to finish the shrimp. To finish the pad thai, add some crushed peanuts and a few chili flakes for a bit of heat. And now we have pad thai. All that's left to do is to serve this thing up. What I love about pad thai is its simplicity and how quick it is to cook. For something so simple, it's hard to believe it has so much flavour. The pad thai should be sweet, sour and salty, and this combination of flavours is pretty hard to beat. As this dish is so quick to make, it's best to get all the prep done just before cooking. With that in mind, I'm sure you'll really enjoy making pad thai. I like to finish my pad thai with some peanuts on the side, some more chili flakes and a good wedge of lime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you get to make this pad thai. I want to take the time to say thank you all for your continued support, it really means a lot to me. And as for the pad thai, it tasted sweet, sour and salty, just perfect. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy the recipe, then you can help support the channel by clicking on the like, subscribe, share button and all that other good stuff. With all that said, see you guys on the next one, take care, and as always, peace.